The flavors from India I miss the most are the simple, comforting dishes that make me feel at home. You won't find this Bengali green chicken curry in restaurants, but trust me, it's even more delicious. You don't have to marinate this for too long. Just set it aside while you prep the other ingredients so that the chicken absorbs the salt and the turmeric. This dish is a family favorite and was featured at my wedding in Kolkata. I'm attempting to recreate those flavors. The green color of this dish is due to the addition of a fresh paste of cilantro and green chilies. I'll share a few tips that ensure that the paste stays as green as possible when we add it to the dish at the end, so make sure to follow those. This dish encapsulates all the elements of Bengali home cooking I adore. It has minimal spices, it can be cooked in one pan, and it utilizes the flavors from fresh ingredients, which is characteristic of the region. We want the onions to be translucent, not brown. This is an important technique. Keep your flame at medium or low, not high. The reason is that we want the moisture from the chicken to come out and create the base of the sauce. We don't want to add any additional water to this dish to prevent dilution of the flavors. Look at those juices that have come out. This dish is characterized by its fresh flavors, so we don't need too many spices. This dish varies from household to household. This is the version I love. I use cashew paste to thicken the sauce. However, you can do without it as well if you prefer a thinner gravy. While the chicken cooks, let's make the green paste. I didn't make it earlier because it oxidizes and loses its vibrant green color and flavor. To further ensure that we keep the vibrance, I'm going to add in some lime juice and use ice or very cold water. The ice counters the heat produced by the blender and prevents the paste from turning brown. We're very close to being done. A little bit of black pepper to echo the heat in the paste. And now it's finally time to add in the star of the dish. I'm only going to cook this for 1 to 2 minutes because I don't want to cook out the fresh flavors or lose the vibrant green color. And that's it. The Bengali green chicken curry is ready. This dish is best enjoyed with some warm, plain rice, but you could also serve it with roti. This is unlike any restaurant dish, and it instantly transports me back to Kolkata. So I hope you make it and let me know in the comments what you think of the flavors. If you want to stop the endless recipe hopping, then join me to learn the building blocks of Indian cuisine. No more one-off recipes, just real understanding that lets you create any dish you want. Click the link below.